A few weeks ago, a customer came in and he brought those headphones in this condition. The customer said the power button is broken, and he also said that we can have them. He does not need them anymore. He's buying himself another set of headphones. And I told him, thank you very much. I took the headphones and I placed them on my bench. If you look at the past couple of videos, you will see those headphones on my bench. I was just waiting for some time to work on them. Now we can buy the cushions, the pads off Amazon for about $10. And we should also change the strap that you see on top here. This strap probably contains sweat, giraffes, elephants, and everything else that you can think of. I mean, they are headphones, so they are placed on the head and in the gym, working out, running, whatever the case may be. Now, the customer also brought the broken power button right here. I can tell that we have broken pads, but we're going to have to take a look at the board and see if this is something that we can fix. I do not know where that button broke off from, but the motherboard is not too big, and we should be able to figure it out. Let's go under the microscope. Oh, right there, right there. We got it. So the button broke from right over here. And I think we're going to have to stabilize that board because it's going to wobble and move all over the place. Maybe I can put something heavy over it. Let's turn our anti-glare light on. Now what I want to check is, what is that broken pad? What does it do? The pad here is good. The pad here is good. We'll place one probe here and one here. I'm reading 1.1 voltage drop. I'm reading ground here, so we know this one is ground. This is ground. This is ground. 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 And what about this? I mean, this pad looks like ground to me. It's not connecting anywhere, and it probably broke off ground. So we have ground here, ground here. This one is not ground. Positive. We're going to clean the holes, solder the button. We do not need to run any wires. You see, we can tell that the pad is not broken from the top. It's not broken from the side. It's broken from down here. And all this area is ground. Let's apply some flux. I do not know if we can easily wick off the holes, but we're going to try it. The board looks fairly simple. The board does not look too thick. So we should be able to wick off unleaded solder from the holes for this case. Look at this wick. One of the best wicks in the market. This wick is solid, it's hard, and it does not break off easy. Look at the quality of this wick. It contains probably twice as much copper as the normal wick. Very nice. Now, where is that button? Focus. Now we're gonna flip the board and attack from the back. Beautiful. And tell me that's not better than factory. Look at the mirror shine on those joints. You can fix your hair, brush your hair, looking at the joints. If you're a lady, you can do your makeup on those joints. You can use those joints as a security mirror, see everything all around. Multi-purpose. I always think multi-purpose when I work on something. Hold on, let me just fix my hair quick. Perfect. All right, if we flip the board, let's take a look at the front one more time, make sure everything is good. Make sure the button is solid. We're going to use Amtech wipes along with the NorthridgeFix anti-static brush, 99% isopropyl. People ask, where do you buy your 99% isopropyl from? You cannot buy 99% locally. You have to order it online. But if you live in the US, you can go to Target and they sell 91%. 91 is good. Anything 91% and over is perfect. Just do not buy 70%. Very good and very good. Let's go ahead and test. I mean, this is a job that I would give to Big Boss. I would not bother with the reassembly. But Big Boss is not here right now. Okay, got it. Okay, so we see the charging connector right here. The power button, the one that we fixed, where is it? It's right here. Or it could be this one here. Oh yeah, this one here, right there. I can feel the click. I do not know what this button is for. And we have the volume knob, left and right. Now let's try to power the headphones on. I do not know if the battery is charged, but we're gonna try it. And I do not know if we are supposed to see any light anywhere. Oh yeah, right there. See? I was able to turn on the headphones. So that tells me the button is working. And let me connect it to Bluetooth. Why is the fume extractor on? Now we need to pair it. But the button is working. I was able to turn on the headphones using that button. I do not know if we are in the pairing mode, but we're gonna find out. I do not know if I'm in the pairing mode. Maybe I need to press and hold when I power those on. Right now I press on that button and I see a green LED blinking. Press and hold. Okay, now I see a blue light blinking. We are probably in the pairing mode. Scan. Yeah, right there. Steel Series, Arctis 9. Got it. Connect. Done. Pair. Connected. All right, so let's play a YouTube video. I'm gonna play myself because why play anybody else, right? Volume up. And I hear nothing. Any reason why? I mean, the button is communicating. Look, if I have play and I press on the button, it pauses. Press on the button twice, it goes on to the next track. Oh, right there, right there. Now it's working. Now it's working. All right. And where's the volume? Right there. Volume is controlled by those dials, and we're good. Awesome. Both of them are working. Both of them are working. Awesome. We did it. The headphones are working. I'm gonna buy the pads, the strap on top, and we have a good working headphones. That's it. We're done. I hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know what you think. Leave it down in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll do something else in the next video.